Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Here I'm going to take the elastic band and I'm going to sew it around the back perimeter of my head. So the braids in the back and around the side of my head, I'm going to sew that elastic band down to them. Excuse my kitchens, I have not gotten my dreads retwisted, so yeah. If you can see that braid right there, right underneath my thumb, I'm going to go back in and pull the elastic band a little bit more further down and sew it over. So I'll have to go back and fix that later. So here I'm going to just cut the string and again tie it in 4 or 5 knots and then cut the extra string off so that way the elastic band is secure and the wig doesn't fall off. Okay, so I'm going to apply 1 layer of bonding glue because I don't want it to be too tight just in case I decide that I want to take it off in a few days. So here I'm just going to go around the perimeter of my hairline and just apply 1 layer of bonding glue. Make sure that when you're using your blow dryer that it's kind of sticky, not to the point, you're not using it to the point to where it's completely dry because you want it to stick. So make sure that it's more of a sticky, consistent more than being dry. I'm using the Gots to Be holding spray to hold my lace down instead of using multiple layers of the bonding glue. This works really well, and you can take it off easier than the bonding glue. So that's what I'm using to hold my lace down. This is a picture of me showing how I took the lace all the way around my ear to give it more of a natural look. So here is a finished look of what it looks like right after I did my baby hairs and everything. So if you guys want a video on how I did my baby hairs, comment below and I'll make a video on that. But this is before I actually styled it. I just laid the lace and did the baby hairs right here. Okay, so here's the finished look. I'll style it later. I'll upload a video after this showing it finished. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.